Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 4th of April, Friday, and today was another good day in the markets. We had a nice small gap up here. Market kind of chopped around and then finally just fell. We had 3 trades today and pulled 8.5 points out of the market. So pretty good day all in all. And 2 of our trades were like basically last hour trades, which usually is not what I do, but you know, today seemed a little different. Here we did grab along pretty close to the highs here, and we were able to take profit on this second test of this, and then the market kind of chopped around a little bit, and then it just dropped. You know, we were not in this obviously. We kind of watched it fall and you know what it was doing. We did grab along over here, which we were able to take profit in on this move up, and then get stopped out on the remainder. Then we turned it into a short, actually, and we were able to ride this down and take some decent profit, and then the market obviously you know, continued lower from there, and you know it went even lower after lunchtime, which was very, very interesting, and you know, it was fun to watch actually. You know, sometimes the market's going to be a little different than what we expect, and it's very interesting when we do see that. You know, but we pulled out 8.5 points, and you know, to me, it doesn't really matter what the market does, as long as we're able to follow it at you know, certain times. And you know, that's basically what these trades were over here. We kind of watched it to see what it was going to do, and then after it told us, we were able to make some trades. Yeah, this was obviously a you know, a reversal trade, anti-trend, a counter-trend trade, you could call it. And this was, you know, with the trend, and you know, you kind of have to know what you're looking for. You know, obviously this trade here, I wasn't looking for the market to come up here. It's just ludicrous to think so. And then this trade here, obviously we were looking for a little you know, a nice movement on it. You know, so it depends on what the market is doing to what you can actually do with it. And you know, I see a lot of new traders come in and they're like, oh well, this is my risk, so obviously I'm going to look for this target, rather than saying, well, this is what the market's doing, so most likely it's going to come to this level, so that's what I'm going to look for. So they make their targets based on their risk, you know, which that's what you want to do, but you also, what's more important is you want to place your target where the most likely scenario is that the market will go. You know, and that matters a whole lot more than risk reward. You know, in day trading, you don't always get, you know, the 2 to 1 to 3 to 1 to 4 to 1 risk reward. You don't always get that. You know, sometimes you're working, you know, after the trade is over with, you realize that you risk a point for a half a point. You know, that's after the trade's over with. The market's, you're like, oh well, the market's obviously doing something different than what I thought. I'm going to go ahead and get out. You know, and sometimes it actually continues in your favor. From my experience, the way that I do it, more times than not, the market turns around and I would have been stopped out. And you know, you have to be comfortable with your own style and how you perceive things to be able to do that. You know, but in day trading, you're not always going to get the perfect 2 to 1 and higher risk reward to risk, I guess I should say, because 2 to 1 would be reward and then 1 would be a risk. So Anyway, hopefully that makes sense of what I was talking about. You got something out of it. You can always leave comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and an excellent weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.